and welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea and today we are making some cinnamon stick Christmas ornaments. So let's get started. The first cinnamon stick Christmas ornament DIY is going to be a little mini Christmas tree. I'm taking 3 cinnamon sticks and arranging them in a triangle. Then another stick I'm cutting to make the trunk of the tree. And now I'm hot gluing all the pieces together. I'm hot gluing a little mini silver bell from Dollar Tree to the top of my Christmas tree. And to decorate the tree, I'm using this gold berry garland from Dollar Tree, and I cut off a section of it and I'm weaving it around the Christmas tree. Once I have the garland wrapped around the whole tree and glued in place, I'm adjusting all the little berries so you can see them. And to finish it off, I cut off a piece of twine and I'm hot gluing it to the back for the ornament hanger. The next cinnamon stick Christmas ornament is a mini stable. I'm using 5 cinnamon sticks, 2 to form the peak at the top, 2 for the sides, and 1 for the bottom. And of course, I'm hot gluing everything together. I have this glittery gold star from Dollar Tree, and I'm hot gluing it to the top of the stable. And lastly, I'm taking a piece of twine and hot gluing it to the back. The next cinnamon stick Christmas ornament is a reindeer. And for this one, I'm using 3 cinnamon sticks and arranging it in an upside down triangle. And I'm hot gluing all the pieces together. I have these little red berries from a previous dollar store garland, and I'm cutting off one of them for the red nose of Rudolph, and I'm hot gluing it to the point of the triangle. For the antlers, I'm using a brown pipe cleaner, and I'm cutting it off into 2 smaller pieces and then making sort of a bend in the pipe cleaner for the antler shape. Then I'm hot gluing the antlers to the reindeer head. For the reindeer's eyes, I'm using a piece of white felt and cutting out 2 small circles. Then I'm hot gluing those circles to the top cinnamon stick piece. And for the eyeballs, I'm just using a black pen and drawing them in. For the ornament hanger, I'm using this red and white candy cane striped ribbon from Dollar Tree. And I'm folding it over a few times and hot gluing it, then placing it on the back of the ornament. The next cinnamon stick Christmas ornament is just going to be a decorative triangle. So of course I'm using 3 cinnamon sticks for this, and I'm hot gluing them all together. For the decorations, I'm using this garland from Dollar Tree, and I'm cutting off a little piece of it and hot gluing it to the bottom right corner of the triangle. Then I'm taking some of these little red berries and arranging them onto the greenery and hot gluing those in place. For the ornament hanger, I'm using this red and white baker's twine from Dollar Tree and hot gluing it to the top of the ornament. The next cinnamon stick Christmas ornament is going to be a mini Christmas tree. And this time I'm using multiple cinnamon sticks stacked on top of each other, getting smaller and smaller as we get towards the top of the tree. First, I arranged how many cinnamon sticks I wanted to create the tree. Then I'm going in and trimming them down one by one, getting smaller and smaller. also cut an even smaller piece of cinnamon stick to create the trunk of the tree. And now I'm hot gluing all the pieces together. To decorate my tree, I'm using this pipe cleaner garland from Dollar Tree. They're kind of like pipe cleaners, but they're not sturdy like a regular pipe cleaner. And I'm tying little knots in them, then cutting it off to create kind of like a little mini pom-pom. And I'm hot gluing a few of them all over the tree. While I'm doing that, I also decided I wanted something a little extra at the top of the tree. So I cut a teeny tiny cinnamon stick piece, sticking vertically at the top for like a little tree topper. At the very top of that small cinnamon stick piece, I'm hot gluing a white pearl bead. For my ornament hanger, I'm using this red ribbon from Dollar Tree. I love this ribbon because it's kind of see-through, and I'm creating a loop and hot gluing it to the top. The next cinnamon stick Christmas ornament is a mini sled. For this ornament, I'm using 5 cinnamon sticks, 4 for the base of the sled, 2 in the center that are slightly higher up, and then the 2 on the sides are a little bit lower down, and then another cinnamon stick across the top horizontally. I'm hot gluing all of these pieces together. For some little decoration on the sled, I'm using these little beads from Dollar Tree. The slightly bigger ones are a silver color, and then the teeny ones are sort of a purpley metallic. And I'm alternating between the two, placing them on that top piece of the sled. And for the ornament hanger, I'm using this red and white baker's twine and hot gluing it to the back. And these are all my finished cinnamon stick Christmas ornaments. These were all so easy and so fun to make. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for lots more Christmas DIY content coming your way. See you next time.